All right, we're back. We got a lumber rack from Amazon. I'm going to show you what I do and don't like about it. So stick around. Here we go. So as you can see here, we're putting in the last bolt to mount this. But you'll notice here I got mixed match bolts, and there's a reason for that, because the bolts that they give you will not work for this setup. That's right, that is an Amazon lumber rack with the two-piece set. Stick around, I'm going to tell you all about it, and I'm going to show you some things that I do and don't like about this lumber rack. Starting with number one, we're getting into this immediately. Number one, the screws that they give you, the lag bolts, are not long enough. I'm going to show you why. This is what comes with your set. By the time you already lose almost 1.5 inches, your sheetrock is 1/2 inch long. You've only got about 3/4 of a bite into the wall, and they tend to just spin, and once you tighten them up, they pull out of the wall. That was my experience anyway. So what I did, I had to go to Home Depot. These are 4.5 inches long, and they're just the perfect size. Awesome. So lumber racks are a good idea, especially with how expensive lumber is nowadays. If you got lumber just sitting on your garage floor or whatever it's doing, you could be potentially wasting money, because for 40 bucks and have your lumber up off the floor, if it rains, if you got flood problems, your lumber stays dry, and it's prone to warping if you leave it in awkward spots. So that's my 2 cents on why you need a lumber rack. They could literally just fold this up and it could already be built. But no, they ship it into about 1,000 pieces, and then you got to build it yourself. Keep that in mind. 3/8 by 4.5. These are like 5/16 by 2.5. They're too short for this project, and they came with the kit. So we got it all mounted. It's good to go. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.